he doing? Why is he putting it in the bag?
Ah! Wait, don't touch him. Don't touch him. I got something else. Oh.
Okay, put that down. That's dangerous, man.
Go, go, go. Oh!
Go!
Oh! Get back here, man.
Okay, I've got the bag, and I'm running back to home base.
You should have tried to kill me.
But I got the bag. Get in there, hurry up! Hurry up! He's too Neanderthal to figure out how this cage opens, but he could throw mushrooms.
He could throw mushrooms at us at any point.
Oh my God!
Let me try to catch him. Oh no!
Get up, man. Okay, let's check what's in this bag.
Smelling poop. Where'd he go?
Check what's in there. Pour it out. What the frig?
Oh my God! No way!
Block the bears. They can't be hurt.
Block the bears.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Get away, you savage.
You retarded, man! Oh, he's coming! Oh, sorry. Oh! No, you can't come in! Oh. Here, I'll block the door. I'll block the door so he kicks.
Don't throw that at us, you Neanderthal.
Ow! No way. I can't believe mushrooms would hurt.
In the barn.
There's cats in here.
Get in the barn. Get in.
Ew, there's spiders everywhere.
Okay then, that's not a good idea. Oh my God. Get out, stop!
I'm getting away from here. Get out of here. Just go on. Oh, yeah.
Okay, they're gone for a while. Get the bears in here for now. Nice. Intern. Oh my God! Where's he taking me? To his lair? I don't want to go in there, you'll kill me. Ouch. Let me help you. Let me help you. I got the stick now.